on
Oh.
the floor.
No.
No! It must be.
Pepper up your nose, Miss. Just rip a bit off the corner of the table and wipe your nose.
Granddad.